If your goal is to maximize your closet space without a renovation, then this video is for you. My name is Kate with WTI, and this is the Ulif Heavy Duty Garment Rack. Now, what I love about this rack is that it's fully adjustable and customizable. So the instructions present several different options as a layout. It comes with shelves, all sorts of different rods. You can choose exactly where to put everything so that it'll fit whatever you're putting in here. It goes together really easily. My husband did this on his own. You don't even need any tools. You just have to follow the instructions and everything clips together. So when I first got it, my goal was to use it for a clothing swap. Everybody could see the clothing super well and it held a ton of stuff. Now I've transitioned it into my mudroom, so it's a fantastic spot for people coming in to hang their jackets. I also love it for storage, so things like extra cans or shoes, bags. It even has these little hooks so you can hang your purses. Really awesome option to maximize your space, to give you a ton of storage. It holds over 800 pounds, so I'm able to load this up and get things organized. I think you're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.